Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll be talking about some tips and tricks in C++ for competitive programming. Starting with the first tip, we can save a lot of time with this trick. Instead of including many header files, we can just include single header file which will fulfill our task. For example, if we include #include bits slash stdc++.h, it would serve the task for all other header files. Moving on to our second trick, the auto keyword. The auto keyword is very useful when we need to declare a variable and we do not know the data type of that variable. In that case, the auto keyword automatically detects the data type based on the value stored in a variable. For example, if we take auto a is equal to 10, the data type of a will be integer. If we take a is equal to 1.2, the data type of that will be float. If we take a is equal to hello, the data type of a will be string. Moving on to the next trick, it is a C++ inbuilt function for finding the GCD. The syntax for this is 2 underscores GCD followed by 2 parameters, that is the numbers for which we have to find the GCD. For example, we have taken two integers m and n and we have printed the GCD for both the numbers. The output for this would be 2. Moving forward, sorting is the most important part in competitive programming. So we would look how to sort an array. For sorting an array, we just need to write a single line of code, that is sort followed by array name a, comma, array name plus n, that is the size of an array. By writing this line of code, we can sort an array. Now we will look how to sort a vector. Sorting a vector is simpler. Just we need to declare a vector and we need to write a code sort vector name dot begin comma vector name dot end. This line would sort our vector. Now we will look how to sort an vector in descending order. So sorting a vector in descending order. By default, sorting work in ascending order, that is in increasing order. But in case if we want to sort a vector in descending order, so we need to change a bit in our function. For example, if we take a vector v and we have to sort this vector in descending order this time. So we would write sort followed by vector name dot r begin comma vector name dot r end. By inserting this r after vector name and before begin and after vector name before end, we can sort our vector in descending order.